Are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Oh my God, this is beautiful! So excited. It's finally up. Woohoo! Isn't that nice? Thanks, babe. Oh, she's so pretty. Took me forever to hang it, but here we are. We're ready. It's up. Welcome back to the vlog.
Hello.
With mini me. Okay, so we are tackling Esme's bedroom. She has really cool shelves, just like Jack has in his room, except her bedroom's been done for a lot longer, and so they've collected some stuff. And we're gonna get rid of that stuff and just keep what she's using, donate what she's not, maybe store something she wants to keep but doesn't want to have out. You know what I mean? So we're gonna tackle this and we're gonna take like 1 hour, okay? That's our timer.
Okay.
1 hour.
Okay, no, 1 hour and 30.
Why?
Because.
Okay, fine. Here we go. So she's got a bunch of stuff that she keeps in her shelves, but she's not using a lot of it, and it's kind of like a giant waste of space. So we're going to make this room work for her. And go. Here's the before. Here's the before. I mean, mostly she keeps it very tidy. We opened something today, but it's just a matter of like, we want her to be able to use the space that she has. Good morning and welcome to Wednesday. So I'm having my aunt and my cousins come by for a 2-night visit and we're very excited. And I just have a few last minute things to take care of. Just wiping down the bathrooms, passing the vacuum, making a bed, that kind of stuff. So let's begin with making and basically opening up my bedroom. Open the curtains, let's make some beds. So I've got my workout outfit on. We're gonna do a Peloton ride this morning. Today's outfit, I'm wearing Jenka leggings. I really like these. They have such a nice, buttery, soft feel to them. And this is a top that actually I was looking into for my own athletic wear brand, but we decided to pause that, so it's just a sample. I don't know, I can't tell you where it's from. I think that my family's gonna get here like mid-afternoon, and it's 10 right now, and I don't really have too much work to do. There's some emails I'd like to address, so it's just workout. I'm gonna keep my runners on after my workout and do all the toilets and just wipe it down and pass the mop really quick in the bathrooms, and then that's it. So it's nice that I was smart about it and started cleaning a couple days ago, so it's not this mad dash the day of. Like, everything's pretty much done. It's nice to be prepared. I have most of my work done and everything taken care of. I know it's only 2 days, but like, I work every day, so you know, I have to basically be more organized and plan in advance. But it's nice because when I have visitors, when I'm hanging with people that I love, I like to give them my undivided attention. I don't like to be on my phone the whole time. So I have a couple of little things I have to make, like short form videos that I post once a day on Instagram and stuff and TikTok. But it's just, yeah, I like to give my undivided attention because I know with the state of the world that there's potential lockdowns coming in my future, and we just don't get a chance to see this little family of, you know, my aunt and her kids very much. And so it's like, soak it in because it could be a while before we see them again. Anyway, so excited, so excited. Well, the guest room is ready. Fresh sheets, freshly made bed. Very tidy room, if I do say so myself. I have worked hard over the last week. Even this little unit's room is looking so tidy. I'm telling you, I took control and reorganized her room. The child of mine is, you know, she's got a mind of her own and she loves to move her furniture around. However, the bed in this corner with the little table allows her to have so much more space. I keep trying her, you know, to get her to see my point of view. It doesn't always work. Doesn't always work. Anyway, let me show you the main floor. Remember that my whole house was this color? Entire house. Anyway, it's okay in small doses. I don't mind it in the bathroom for now. There's my dog. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. So this is where Dean has been keeping all of his candles. I am a huge support and fan of his work, but I do not keep my video equipment in the middle of our living space. I used to back in the day. But anyway, I found him a closet and I put all of his things in there, super organized. But this just makes my heart so happy to like be able to pass the vacuum underneath. I've added a new snake plant to the family because I had a fiddle leaf plant and she did. So anyway, look at this countertop. I'm sorry. Is that clean and no clutter? Just things we actually use? Wow. And Dean has got something in the sous vide. So if you caught last week's podcast episode on Friday, I'll link it below. This is what a sous vide looks like. That's the thing that heats the water. Giant pot, food in the baggie. I even cleaned the outside porch area. I am excited. I'm really excited to have them here, and I'm going to try my best to pick up the camera every now and then because I always forget, and I never want to impose on other people like you have to be in my video or something, but I'll try to capture some moments here and there. I'm ready to chat and to visit and to swim and like all the things.
No, it's when I'm with anybody except my mom and dad.
How long is 2 minutes?
Or like just an adult.
20 seconds. Count it.
Like if I'm not with the
Ooh, are you helping with dinner, bro? Look at you go. That's awesome.
After 120, with more on the other side.
Not 100%. Okay, I get it. No, I get that. Okay. Having a little snack time. Who doesn't love veggies and ranch dressing? You know what I'm saying? Everyone's swimming, having a blast. Hi, Maddie. Making wonderful lunch. She's just the hostess with the mostest.
Ooh.
And I gotta show you, he put up the light. Oh my God, we finally have a light fixture back in this room. It's gone a dimmer. Isn't that pretty? So my guests are here. They're having, oh, I think they're having a wonderful time. I'm having a wonderful time. I actually just took my aunt and we went on, I'm just realizing I might have broccoli in my teeth, so forgive. But we went on this like hour-and-a-half walk and we got all of the chatting out because if you happen to be part of my family, then you love to chat. It's so much fun. So we did a bunch of chatting and now I have to hit 2 quick deadlines real quick because my kids want us to go to the mall in about an hour or so. So I'm gonna bust my ass, but it's awesome. I'm having such a good time. I love my family, you know? Oh, such good people. Oh, did you have a nice visit with your cousins?
No, I can't.
Yeah, you did, you little.
Kidding. Yeah, I did.
It was good. So now that we've had the big visit, now I'm like recharging. So I had a really nice workout. Esme got her hair done. I'll show you that later.
I need to recharge for in 3 days. I'll be okay.
I know. So I'm just recharging, and this weekend I'm going away on a girls' weekend for a little wine
How
tour.
long?
I'll be back on, so I leave tomorrow morning. I'll be back the next day at like dinner time. Are you gonna miss me?
Okay.
In any case, I'm going with some friends on a girls' weekend. And I'm so excited, but I just need to like recharge because there was a lot of family energy and now I just have to.
You're coming back in 59 hours.
Maybe like.
If you went right now, you would come back in 59
That's true.
hours.
Jack likes to figure that stuff out. Anyway, it's going to be great. I just need to
I
recharge.
guessed.
Hey, don't speak.
Oh, no, but do you know what I guessed?
Well, I'm mid-packing session for my weekend away this weekend. Girls' weekend, so pumped. I had a really like low evening. I did my workout. I was zapped. Lay on the bed, played Animal Crossing for a bit, and now I'm prepared for my clothing preparation. And I'll tell you this, it is going to be an action-packed 36 hours. It's wild. So we're starting the day with a hike. I'll show you the clothes and then talk. Starting the day with a hike. So I have some athletic wear and my bucket hat. Then we do a quick costume change in the car, and I'm gonna put on this little dress with these little white runners and this hat because I'm sure I'll have real sweaty hair for an afternoon wine tasting. Then for the evening, I have this beautiful silk dress from Aritzia that I got for my birthday. I think it was 2019. Oh my God, I just love it. Anyway, I'm gonna wear that. Pajamas. I brought a swimsuit. I don't know. I don't think there's anywhere to swim, but you know, I always travel with a swimsuit. Then we wake up Saturday morning and we're going zip lining. So I have some jean shorts and this little top from Old Navy, which is great because what you do is you tie it at the bottom, and then I'll do a quick costume change into this skirt with these shoes from H&M. I have worn these shoes so many times. They're so comfortable. Oh, and these are the Keds, by the way. Little white leather slip-ons. And that'll take me through all the activities with minimal discomfort. I'm probably gonna get pretty sweaty because it's like really hot right now. But you know, trying to find ways to like cool down, be comfortable in the evening, not worry too much about, you know, all the costume changes. So that's my stuff. Now I have my bag on the floor. I'm gonna pack my bag, get my toiletries together, make sure I have my water bottle, and oh, and then I'm gonna be hiking. I'm gonna wear my Tevas. I was gonna wear runners, but it's too hot. And that's that. I mean, gorgeous. I'm just trying not to overheat or get burnt, you know. This is my $18 breakfast. It's a sandwich and a coffee. This is what happens when you're in Niagara Falls. Are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm so ready.
You're ready. There's a bit of a storm rolling in. I'm like, the wind in my hair. It has been so humid. It's like we're not sweating for 5 minutes. It's wonderful. It's a little bit of rain. I am home. I am rested. I am tired. That was quite the whirlwind weekend. Oh my goodness. I got home about 5 or so yesterday. Had a beautiful dinner. Then it was spaghetti, so then I fell asleep right after dinner because of carb overload, and just what a time. First 2 hours, woke up, watched a show with my kids. Far too late. They went to bed late. But it's Monday, so we're getting down to business. I have to do a few things with the kids for back to school preparation because, oh my God, they start school next week, which is very exciting. They're switching schools, so I have like a little bit of stuff to manage, but we're doing it. Anyway, thanks for joining me for this week. What a way to like wrap up the summer, you know? And most of my friends are teachers, so I think for them too, it felt like the last hurrah before back to school. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.